In figure 13.12, you see the frame of a lampshade. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth. The frame has a base diameter of 20 cm and height of 30 cm. A margin of 2.5 cm is to be given for holding it over the top and bottom of the frame. Find how much cloth is needed to required for covering the lampshade. This is a lampshade. Suppose this height is 30 cm. But when you are using the cloth, some cloth will go inside from this side and from that side. So 2.5 cm this side and 2.5 cm this side. So its height will be 2.5 will be increased from the bottom and 2.5 will be increased from the top. So instead of taking height 35 cm, we will use 30 cm, we will use 35 cm. So what is diameter? How much diameter is given? Diameter is 20 cm. So find the radius, that is 20 by 2, 10 cm. Height of cylinder. You can write here 30 cm. Now length of cloth. Needed to cover this lamp. Length of cloth needed to cover this lamp 30 cm height है, तो we will add 2.5 from the top and 2.5 from the bottom, that is 35 cm. I am writing here length of cloth, not the quantity of cloth, not the area of the cloth. Now you can write here area of cloth needed equal to रहेगा 2 pi r h, and 2 into 22 by 7 into r, that is 10, and at the place of h you can't use this 30 centimeter, you have to use this one 35 centimeter, क्योंकि margins की वजह से हमारी height increase हो गई है, that is 35, 1 जा and then 5 जा. You can multiply all these terms, 50 to the 100, or you can write here 2200